A very good morning to all my dear students. Yesterday, as I have explained you the properties of division, and I told you that division doesn't follow any property. If it is closure, distributive, associative, commutative, none of the properties being followed by division. So based upon those properties only, today we will solve these questions. Moreover, I have explained you the prediction of the signs, how to make signs or how to put signs when you are dividing the two integers. So I told you, if they are of same sign, then answer will always be positive. If they are of different sign, then answer will always be negative. So continuing the same. So this is first question is minus 50 divided by 5. Same minus 50, 5 in the denominator. So 5 tens are 50. As I told you, different signs. This is negative, this is positive. So answer will always be negative. So minus 10 will be your answer. Coming forward to the next, these are two operations, two sides it is given separately in the bracket. So we have to solve first these brackets and then we can do the division process. So this is minus 20 and plus 7. This is minus 28 and plus 13. Minus 22 plus 7 will be minus 15 and minus 28 plus 13 will be minus 15 again here, correct? So minus 15 divided by minus 15, these both will get cancelled. As I told you, if same signs will be there, the answer will be positive. So only one will be your answer. Coming to the next, verify that x divided by y is not equals to y divided by x for the following values of x and y, correct? So x is given this and y is given this. We have to verify this thing. So we have to take the two as LHS and RHS. See, in this x divided by is LHS. LHS means left hand side and this is RHS. RHS means right hand side, correct? So x divided by y and this is y divided by x. So your value of x is 56. So here it comes 56 divided by 7 and here it comes 7 divided by 56. So the answer will be 8 and here the answer will be 1 upon 8. So clearly you can see that LHS is not equals to RHS. Therefore x divided by y is not equals to y divided by x. As this property I have told you earlier also that your division does not follow your commutative and associative property, correct? And the place of the numbers plus the grouping matters in division. Coming forward to the next, y is equals to minus 15, x is equals to minus 15 and y is equals to 5. So first of all, same thing here, we have to take LHS and RHS, correct? This is x divided by y and this is y divided by x. So minus 15 divided by 5 will be minus 3 and 5 divided by minus 15 will be minus 1 upon 3. If opposite signs are there, then answer will be always negative. So here clearly you can see that your LHS is not equals to RHS. So x divided by y is not equals to y divided by x. And I hope this is clear to all. See, I am showing your work, whatever I have teach you. So it's my suggestion to you all, as I have told you many times earlier also, please try to do all these questions yourself after copying the question. Now the next question is, write 4 pairs of integers x, y such that y divided by x is equals to minus 7. What does question indicate? It indicates at x place such number should be there that when it is divided by y, your answer will come minus 7. So infinite numbers can be there, but for your convenience I have taken the numbers less than 10 only. So first of all, it will be minus 14 divided by 2. This is the table of 2, so it will come minus 7. Now I have taken the table of 3. So minus 21 divided by 3 will be minus 7. Minus 70 divided by 10 will be minus 7. Minus 28 divided by 4 will be minus 7. So here you can say minus 14 comma 2, minus 21 comma 3, minus 70 comma 10 and minus 28 comma 4 will be the 4 pairs of x and y on dividing, where you will get your answer minus 7. I hope it is clear. Coming forward to the next, verify that a divided by b plus c is not equals to a divided by plus a divided by c, where a is given, b is given and c is given. Clearly, as I told you, for solving such type of question, you have to take LHS as well as RHS. So LHS I have taken here, a divided by b plus c. Now replace all the alphabets by the values. A is 60, b is 20 and c is 10. So 60 divided by 20 plus 10 is 30 and 32 is 60. So 2 will be your answer. Now RHS. A divided by B plus A divided by C. A is 60 divided by 20 and here it comes 60 divided by 10. So here it comes 3, here it comes 6. So 6 plus 3 will be 9. Clearly you can see that LHS is not equals to RHS. And this is the work which I have taught you today. And as I have told you earlier, tomorrow also, that what you have to do, your assignment will be, you have to copy all these questions in your notebook properly. And after understanding, try to do it by yourself. Correct? I hope it is clear to all. Thank you all. Have a nice day.